hate you. In fact, they hate themselves because you are a reflection of what they wish to be. We only need two close friends in life in which we can trust. Having too many friends linked to depression and stress. Stop telling your problems to others. 20% don't care, while the other 80% are glad you have them. A study suggests writing your negative thoughts and tossing them in trash can improve your mood. According to psychology, doing things that scare you actually makes you happier. A study suggests that you can multitask. Psychology says people who listen to more than one genre of music tend to be smarter and more creative. According to psychology, to gain a little trust, be neutral to both sides of the argument. According to psychology, reading fictions improves social skills because it puts you in various social situations in the perspective of characters. The man who is not afraid of death is not afraid of anything. Psychology says you can give your 100% when you are surrounded by a lot of people and they are staring at you. Psychology says if you don't believe in yourself, no one would. Psychology says usually thinking of a successful outcome will actually reduce our motivation rather than increase it. Study shows smart people always underestimate themselves while the ignorant ones think they are brilliant. According to psychology, people who talk to themselves are smart by nature. People who think they are being watched will generally behave better and better. The sloppier and ugly someone's handwriting is, the smarter they are because they think faster. Whoever is trying to bring you down is already below you. Forcing yourself to look happy, a big fake smile, shoulders back, head up, etc. can actually make you feel happier. Looking into another person's eyes for 3 minutes can create a powerful bond even with a stranger. According to psychology, confident people never steal glances. They will look into your eyes. If you announce your goals to others, it is less likely to happen because you gain a satisfaction in talking while losing motivation in actually doing it. People who worry what others think more than themselves will live a life of people-pleasing and misery. Nothing good will come easy. Hard work pays off. Psychology says your biggest regret will be making unworthy people a priority in your life. Moments spent on experience will always hold greater value to you. The best way to get someone's attention is to stop giving them yours. Life becomes more meaningful when you realize that you'll never get the same moment again. Study shows if you speak and encourage yourself standing in front of the mirror, you started to become stronger mentally every day.